Hej!
Hej!
You're cooking. I'll put it to bed. Har ni sett Petson så findes? Ja då, många gånger, sa hönorna. Ja men idag alltså så findes.
How was your day, my love?
Tiring. It's a lovely evening there. What time is it?
10 to 8?
Have you seen mine?
Well, I made it before the sunset anyway, but it's now gone behind some clouds, so I'm not going to get any magical light at the end of today. But it doesn't matter, you know, because it's an incredibly beautiful evening. It's still, it's warm. I've got my camera set up because, well, you never know, although it seems quite unlikely, so instead I can just sit here and enjoy the view, the sounds, the smells. I can watch the birds go into roost. I heard church bells from the village of Uffington down there, and there's a really heady smell of the rapeseed flowers in the air. It's just such a beautiful evening. And sometimes you just have to take that opportunity to get your fix of this. whether or not you get a photograph, it doesn't really matter. This is very much food for the soul, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching me do this. The message really is that you can get out there. You might think that you don't have time, but as long as you've got a place to go to, you've got something in your head that you know that you can just go there at the drop of a hat, then take those opportunities and enjoy evenings like this. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a like and leave me a comment to let me know what you think. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel but you've been watching, then please consider subscribing. And if you want to get notified every time I put a new video out, then click the bell. I'll see you in the next one.